A Nash County church community was rattled after they say someone vandalized the flag of Israel that flew outside their house of worship. Take a look at these Facebook pictures. Pastor Daniel Parker of Christian Fellowship Church, Sandy Cross, says this was how the flag was found today. And this right here is surveillance video on another side of the church. You see a man walking by the entrance, and a short while later, that what appears to be the same man runs back into frame and throws the wadded up flag in a storm drain by the driveway. That's where Parker tells us a maintenance worker for the church discovered it.
And he found the flag of Israel, only the flag of Israel, not the American flag, not the Christian flag, not the North Carolina state flag, just the flag of Israel, balled up in the ditch and thrown. And it looks as though the rope that it anchors up on the flag, it was cut. That's how they got it down. And then they ripped into it.
Parker says he shared the surveillance video with the Nash County Sheriff's Office and they are investigating.